name's Jessica, and I am going to be a senior at Los Lunas High School. And for my starter project, I made a digital multimeter. So what a multimeter does is it is used to measure voltage, resistance, current in a circuit. So it is made up of quite a few resistors, as you can see here. Resistors, they restrict the current flow through a circuit, and then they are also small electronic devices with two terminals that transmit electric current to produce voltage. Also, there are capacitors, which are, let's see, right here. They can block the flow of direct current while enabling flow of indirect current, and they are also two-terminal electrical components used to store energy in an electric field. So, here. And then there are also semiconductors, so like the diodes here, and they control the direction of the current flow. And then there are transistors, like these ones here, and they are used to amplify and switch electronic signals into electrical powers. And then here there's a zebra strip which connects the LCD, the liquid crystal display, which is on the front, to the PC board. And then I'll demonstrate